Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's changing the world: coding. Whether you're a complete beginner or just curious about what coding is, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know what coding is, why it's so valuable, and where you can start learning. Let's get into it. So, what exactly is coding? At its core, coding is the process of giving instructions to a computer to perform specific tasks. Think of it like writing a recipe for a computer to follow. These instructions are written in programming languages like Python, JavaScript, or C++. Coding is what makes websites, apps, video games, and even self-driving cars work. It's the backbone of the digital world we live in today. Pretty cool, right? But why should you care about coding? Let's talk about the benefits. First, coding is a super valuable skill in today's job market. Tech jobs are in high demand, and learning to code can open doors to careers in software development, data science, web design, and more. But it's not just about jobs. Coding also helps you develop problem-solving skills, logical thinking, and creativity. It's like a mental workout that makes you better at tackling challenges in all areas of life. Plus, coding can be a lot of fun. Imagine building your own website, creating a game, or automating boring tasks. The possibilities are endless. Okay, so coding is awesome. But where do you start? Don't worry, I've got you covered. There are so many ways to learn coding, whether you're a beginner or looking to level up your skills. Here are some of the best options. Online platforms, websites like FreeCodeCamp, Codecademy, and Khan Academy offer free or affordable courses for beginners. YouTube tutorials. Yep, you're already in the right place. There are tons of free coding tutorials on YouTube for every programming language. Coding bootcamps. If you're looking for a more structured approach, bootcamps like General Assembly or LeWagon can help you learn quickly and even land a job. Books and practice. Don't forget about good old-fashioned books. And once you've learned the basics, practice on platforms like LitCode or HackerRank. Cut back to host on camera. Host. The key is to just start. Pick a language, find a resource that works for you, and dive in. Remember, every expert coder was once a beginner. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who's curious about coding. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on more tech tips and tutorials. And if you're already learning to code, drop a comment below and tell me what you're working on. Let's build a community of coders who support and inspire each other. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy coding! Please don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips.